When you think of clover, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Four-leaf clovers? Cloverfield? VTuber Clover and Ari? 4chan? CloverCon is a family-friendly anime convention put on by the Somerset County 4-H Anime and Manga Club. 4-H is a nationwide youth education and development organization. Once a year, the Somerset County branch puts on this convention, in part to raise funds for their camp trip. But what am I doing all the way down in Central Jersey attending a small anime con? I thought the next one I was gonna go to was Anime Next. See, up until KagaraCon, I had been focused on attending the big anime conventions, but being at KagaraCon opened my eyes to the possibilities, and I decided to give CloverCon a chance. At CloverCon, you have the usual artist alley, gamer room, manga library, dark cave to watch anime from the 80s in, a Chinese food stall that sells hot dogs, and a labyrinth, which, for the life of me, I could not find on my own. It was a small con, so I quickly ran out of places to walk around, so I attended some of the panels. One was from Manly Battleships. Hey, weren't they at KagaraCon too? And another was from an up-and-coming VTuber called... what was her name again? Anyway, I didn't film as much of the event as with other cons because you weren't actually allowed to film in the artist alley, and I felt kind of weird filming in the cramped halls of the 4-H building. So instead of an outro, here's my Wii menu. If you were interested, I don't know. That's what the YouTube said my audience was searching for. So if you found this interesting, please let me know.